Love coming to the site on the weekends so I can quietly see what's going on here. I'm sitting right now on the performer stairs coming down to the main bar stage. These columns are going to be giant palm trees, coconut trees. And you can see the grids are going in for the acoustical ceiling, which should come all the way across. And we're going to project the night sky. So you're going to be sitting in a grove of trees looking up at the night sky, watching the mangoes dancers while you're drinking mojitos. Closing up the front of the building. All the storefront steel is in. I have it in the storage closet over here. And we'll start installing that next week. Just finally poured the wishing well, where the waterfall will be coming down here. And this is where throw coins in and they'll get donated. And we're going to hang the grand stair right here, coming up the side here. So take you up to the second floor where the voodoo room is, and the mojito room. And I'm going to come up onto the stage. Walk out decking. DJ booth. Mangoes VIP.